Have you noticed that lately? No matter what you put on your face, the wrinkles just seem deeper. The dark spots won't budge. And your skin, the skin that used to glow, feels thinner, looser, like it's slowly giving up. You are not alone, dears. And more importantly, it is not your fault. Here's what the big skincare clinics don't want you to know. The most powerful anti-aging combination for women over 60 is not a $200 serum. It's not a laser treatment. It's two humble ingredients you can find at any pharmacy for under $10. Castor oil and vitamin E. Together, they form what I call the eraser effect. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact ratio, the exact technique, and the exact massage method that activates it. Stick with me through this entire video because the part most people skip, the application method, is where all the real magic happens. Let's get started. Now, before we mix anything, let's take 60 seconds to understand why this works. Because once you understand this, you'll never look at these two ingredients the same way again. After the age of 60, your skin starts losing collagen at a much faster rate. Collagen is the protein that keeps skin plump, firm, and elastic. Think of it like the scaffolding underneath your skin. Once that scaffolding weakens, the skin above it starts to droop, crease, and sag. At the same time, your skin produces less natural oil, which means moisture escapes faster. This is why fine lines look so much worse in the morning. Your skin dried out overnight. Now here's where castor oil comes in. Castor oil contains something called ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid that penetrates deep into the skin, not just sitting on the surface like most moisturizers. It stimulates the tissue underneath to produce more collagen. It also pulls moisture into the skin from the environment and locks it there. And vitamin E? Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. What does that mean? It means it fights free radicals. Those are the little cellular bullies responsible for sun damage, age spots, and accelerated aging. Vitamin E literally goes to war with the damage already done to your skin. Together, they do something neither can do alone. Castor oil opens the door deep into the skin, and vitamin E rides in right behind it, repairing damage at the cellular level. That, friends, is why this combination is different. That is the science behind the eraser effect. Now let's prepare your mixture. And please, wait, don't skip this part, because this is where most people make the mistake that stops the whole thing from working. Here's what you'll need. Pure cold-pressed castor oil. Make sure the label says hexane-free. This matters. Vitamin E capsules, 400 IU is ideal for mature skin. You'll find these at any pharmacy. A small, clean glass bowl, not plastic. We'll explain why in a moment. A clean toothpick or small pin to open the capsules. A tiny spoon or dropper for measuring. That's it. Simple. But here's where people go wrong. Mistake number 1, using too much castor oil. Castor oil is thick. It is one of the densest oils in nature. If you use too much, it will sit on top of your skin and clog your pores instead of absorbing. 1 teaspoon is enough for your entire face and neck. Don't be tempted to add more. Now pour your 1 teaspoon of castor oil into the glass bowl. We use glass because plastic can leach chemicals into the oil, and after 60, we are not putting anything unnecessary on our skin. Glass keeps it pure. Next, take your 2 vitamin E capsules and use the toothpick to pierce a clean hole at the tip. Gently squeeze the golden oil from each capsule directly into the bowl. You'll notice it's thicker and more golden than the castor oil. That's the concentrated antioxidant power right there. Now mix slowly, not aggressively. About 20 gentle stirs with the spoon in a circular motion until the 2 oils become one. You're looking for a uniform, honey-like consistency. Mistake number 2, and this one is big. Do not prepare this in advance and store it for weeks. Fresh is best. The vitamin E begins to oxidize once the capsule is opened. Mix only what you'll use that evening, or at most, store in a tiny glass jar with a lid for up to 3 days in a cool, dark place. If you're dealing with very deep forehead lines or stubborn dark spots on your cheeks, you can add 1 drop of rosehip oil to the mixture. Just 1 drop. Rosehip is packed with vitamin A, which speeds up cell turnover and dramatically brightens pigmentation. Your mixture is ready. Now, and this is the part most people completely get wrong, let's talk about how to actually put it on your skin. Friends, this is the section that turns a good result into a great result. The way you apply this mixture matters just as much as the mixture itself. Most of us, when we put on a face cream, just rub it in and go to bed. But your skin after 60 has slower circulation, slower lymphatic drainage. That means products just sit on the surface. They don't penetrate and activate the way they should. What we're going to do is a lymphatic activation massage, and it takes just 4 minutes. It's going to tell your skin, wake up, absorb this, rebuild. Step 1, warm the oil. Dip the tips of your ring finger and middle finger, not your index finger, it's too heavy, into your mixture. Rub your fingertips together for 5 seconds. You want the oil warm, not cold. Warm oil absorbs 3 times faster. Step 2, forehead, the ironing motion. Place both hands flat on the center of your forehead. Using very light but firm upward and outward strokes, smooth the oil toward your temples. Always up and out, never pulling down, never rubbing in circles here. We are lifting. Do this 10 times. Step 3, the eye area, gentle circles. Wait, don't skip this part. The eye area is where most of the aging shows, and it is also the most delicate skin on your body. Use only your ring finger, the weakest finger, to tap a tiny amount of the mixture along the orbital bone. That's the bony ridge around your eye socket. Never pull the actual eyelid. Now make tiny outward circles, starting from the inner corner of the eye, moving outward under the eye, then gently above the brow and back. Think of drawing a very small oval around your eye, over and over. 10 circles on each side. This stimulates circulation around the eye, reduces puffiness, and works that vitamin E directly into the crow's feet area. Step 4, cheeks and dark spots, the lifting sweep. For your cheeks, use your full hand, 4 fingers together. Place them flat on your chin and sweep upward and outward toward your cheekbones and ears. Think of it as ironing out your skin from the center of your face outward. If you have specific dark spots, press the oil into those spots with your fingertip and hold for 5 seconds. Don't rub, just press and hold. This pushes the vitamin E deep into the hyperpigmentation. Step 5, the jawline and jowls, the pinch and lift. Here's a technique many women over 60 don't know. Using your thumb and index finger, gently pinch along the jawline, small firm pinches moving from the chin toward the ear. This stimulates collagen production in the jawline tissues and helps tighten the jowl area over time. Do this 5 times on each side. Step 6, neck, don't forget this. Now take fresh oil on your fingers and address the neck. Using the backs of your hands, yes, the backs, stroke upward from your collarbone toward your chin. The neck ages just as fast as the face, and most women forget it entirely. 10 upward strokes, firm but not aggressive. Step 7, drainage finish. End your massage by placing your fingertips just below your ears and pressing gently, then sliding your fingers down the sides of your neck toward your collarbone. This drains everything the massage has loosened into your lymph nodes, reducing puffiness and awakening your skin's natural detox system. 3 times, slow and intentional. Your application is complete. Total time, about 4 minutes, and your skin should feel warm, slightly tingly, and deeply nourished. Now let's talk about when and how often, because timing is everything with this mixture. Best time to apply, nighttime, always. Castor oil is too thick for daytime use. It can make your skin appear oily and may not layer well under makeup. Apply this mixture every night, 30 minutes before you go to bed. Why 30 minutes? Because you want the oils to fully absorb before your face touches your pillow. If you go to bed immediately, half your treatment ends up on your pillowcase. Frequency, 4 to 5 nights per week. You do not need to use this every single night. Give your skin 2 nights off per week. Sundays and Wednesdays work well. Your skin needs recovery time to process and rebuild. Overloading it is one of the hidden reasons people don't see results. When will you see results? Be patient with your skin, dears. Here's the honest timeline. Week 1-2, skin feels softer and more hydrated. Dryness reduces noticeably. Week 3-4, fine lines begin to look shallower. Overall skin texture improves. Week 6-8, dark spots begin to visibly lighten. Deeper wrinkles begin to soften. Jawline appears firmer. Results take time because we are working with the skin's natural renewal cycle, not against it. But they are real, and they last. Bonus tip number 1, hand spots. Your hands reveal your age just as much as your face, sometimes more. Take whatever is left on your fingers after your facial massage and rub it into the backs of your hands, focusing on any dark spots. Press and hold on each spot for 5 seconds, just like you did on your face. Do this consistently, and you'll notice your hand spots fade significantly within 2 months. Bonus tip number 2, a morning ritual to boost results. Before your morning cleanser, splash your face with cold water, not lukewarm, cold. This seals the collagen work the oils did overnight and tightens pores that may have opened during sleep. Then apply a light SPF moisturizer. Sun protection during the day is non-negotiable if you're treating dark spots at night. Without it, the sun will undo every bit of brightening work your vitamin E did. Think of it this way: nighttime is when you repair. Daytime is when you protect that repair. Friends, let me leave you with something important. At 60, 70, 80, your skin is not broken. It is not beyond help. It is simply asking for the right ingredients, delivered the right way, with consistency and care. You do not need to spend a fortune. You do not need harsh chemicals or clinic procedures. What you need is what you just learned today. 2 humble, powerful ingredients, the right ratio, and a 4-minute massage that wakes your skin up from the inside out. Commit to this routine for 8 weeks, just 8 weeks, and watch what happens. Now, before you go, if dark spots are your main concern, I have something very special for you. Click the video appearing on your screen right now. It's called 7-Day Neck Tightening, the natural lift routine for women over 60, and it uses a similar principle to target the neck and jawline specifically. Women who have tried the full routine, face and neck together, report the most dramatic results. Also, if you found value in today's video, please tap the like button right now. It tells us to keep making these videos for you. And if you have a friend or sister who struggles with dark spots or sagging skin, share this with her today. She deserves to know this. I'm so glad you were here with me today, dears. Take care of yourselves. You are worth every drop of that golden oil. I'll see you in the next one.